Nestled amidst the rugged mountain terrain of Córdoba, La Pankana, the Black House by AR Arquitectos stands as a testament to architectural innovation. Departing from conventional norms, this single-family residence embraces concrete as its primary protagonist, challenging traditional notions of residential design. Developed across 2 floors, the house is composed of 2 parallel, overlapping volumes. The ground floor, partially submerged into the hillside, invites a journey through the project, framing breathtaking vistas along the way. This level serves as the social hub, seamlessly integrating the kitchen, dining room, and living room. The interior and exterior blur boundaries through expansive glazed surfaces, connecting the living spaces to a spacious gallery, pool, garden, and panoramic views. The upper floor emerges as a suspended, linear, and solid volume, commanding attention from every angle. Its stark black concrete exterior is tempered by the warmth of moderate wood cladding. This private sanctuary houses the sleeping and resting areas, offering uninterrupted city views. The main staircase, a striking feature, is suspended from a concrete wall, creating a sense of lightness that contrasts with the material's inherent solidity. Its double-height location amplifies the space and allows for dramatic natural light to flood the interior. As one approaches the Black House, its imposing silhouette against the backdrop of the mountains immediately draws the eye. The interplay of light and shadow on the concrete surfaces creates a dynamic and ever-changing facade. The ground floor, partially hidden beneath the hillside, invites exploration, revealing a series of interconnected spaces that lead to the heart of the home. Upon entering, the social area unfolds as a spacious and open-plan living space. The kitchen, dining room, and living room are seamlessly integrated, fostering a sense of flow and connection. Large windows offer panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, blurring the lines between indoors and out. A covered gallery extends from the living area, providing a sheltered outdoor space for relaxation and entertaining. The upper floor, a suspended volume above the ground, exudes a sense of privacy and tranquility. The bedrooms are arranged in a linear fashion, each offering stunning city views. The master bedroom, with its private balcony, provides a secluded retreat for relaxation. The main staircase, a dramatic focal point, connects the two floors, its suspended design adding a touch of elegance to the space. The Black House is more than just a dwelling. It is a testament to the power of architecture to transform the landscape. Its innovative use of concrete, its integration with the natural surroundings, and its emphasis on light and space create a truly exceptional living experience. As visitors explore the home, they are immersed in a world where the boundaries between indoors and outdoors dissolve, and where the beauty of the natural world is seamlessly integrated into the built environment. Thank you for watching our video on the Black House by AR Arquitectos. We hope you enjoyed learning more about this unique and innovative home. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We also welcome your comments below. We would like to thank AR Arquitectos for allowing us to showcase their work. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into the world of contemporary architecture. Until next time, goodbye.